Hey everybody, I'm Mark, welcome to this video. In this video we're going to check out SHINee and they're going to be performing Marry You, which is off their latest album. I was told this is a B-side to Don't Call Me. So on that video, that's where I was recommended to check out this live performance. So let's get straight to this and hear how it's sounding. Okay, I'm expecting a ballad, just as I was saying it. Just because they stood there with the microphones, I thought it was going to be slower. Seems a little quicker than the music. I like his... Wait, I'm just trying to listen because I feel like there's harmonies. There's a few things there I liked, which I'll hopefully can point out the next time the chorus comes around. That synth in the background, very old school, like hip hop. I like that, that's the bit I liked. And then there's another bit. Wanna marry you right here, right now. Yeah, I wanna marry you. Okay, better sing. Wanna marry you right here, right now. Yeah, it's a little quiet as I love it. Very subtle but quite impactful, his ad-libs there. Like, it seemed like it was just casual, but I like this. I like that we get to hear vocally their strengths, because the last video I saw, I hadn't really seen too much of SHINee, and it was a completely different vibe than this one, and that's what I was mentioned on one of the comments, that they're very versatile and they don't have one set genre, that they experiment with different things and do different stuff, and it shows that they're very capable. I like that they're all wearing dress shoes as well. I just noticed that. Yeah, I really liked his ad-libs at the end, which I'll listen to again. Still learning the members. Yeah, the jump between the different registers. I like that. It'd be really cool to do an album review. I don't know if as many people are into that, because when I did the Taman one, there definitely wasn't as much engagement in that as I have done with his performances. So I don't know whether it would be worth the time, because I took the time to do that. But if that's something that you would want me to do, I can do that, because I listened to Don't Call Me yesterday in the car, and then I avoided listening to the rest of the album just in case I was going to react to songs and listen to things. But yes, that was my reaction. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you on the next videos. Bye.